Today I'm gonna build a keyboard. Never done this before, so send me your thoughts and prayers. Hopefully we survive the attempt. Hello, hi, how you doing? I'm TechDweeb, welcome. Thanks for clicking on the video today. We're gonna dive right in and we're gonna build a keyboard. So this company reached out. They are called Nuphy, and this is their Gem80 keyboard. And no relation to the Newfoundlanders from Canada. Oh, and I should mention, if I have any viewers from Newfoundland, that I really appreciate you and I have a lot of respect for you, and I definitely don't think that you're a bunch of uncultured rednecks. I'm sure you're all very nice, intelligent people. All right, so we have the keyboard, the base of the keyboard, but that's not all. Of course, we're gonna need some switches, and these are the Mint switches, which are linear switches, so I'm hoping that they kind of feel like like red switches. And then also we have some keycaps, and this is their sort of like retro brown keycaps. And they also sent me this. It's a fancy wrist rest that's I think supposed to match the keyboard. So yeah, this is a lot of stuff we're gonna have to open up and do something with. Turn it into a keyboard, ideally. It's pretty nice. It's got like a a retro computer vibe to it. The bare bones kit is $149, and if you go for the Bluetooth one, the bare bones kit is $170. But then you gotta add your switches. That's not very much actually. $15 for a whole set of switches. And then the keycaps also are $15. And then you can add on the wrist rest or whatever, all sorts of little add-ons they got there. And they have other colors as well. There's a blue, there's a black, a purple. I like that one a lot. All right, well, we got a big task ahead of us, so let's not dawdle, as my mom would say. It's pretty heavy. That usually means it's expensive.
Are they heavy?
Yeah.
Then they're expensive. Put them back.
Gembo. Oh, no, that's Gem80. Gembo. Oh, it's like glued in there. All right, the quick guide is permanently affixed to the box because of a glue incident. We're definitely going to need to reference this later. Oh yeah, that's glued in there. Look at that. Oh man, my quick guide's got glue on it. Installation guide. There's like wires and stuff. Oh, what did I sign up for here? Well, I'm a little bit scared now. Not gonna lie. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that is a nice cloth. Oh, that feels so good. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. It's very silly and superficial that this impresses me, but this is a wonderful unboxing experience just because of this luxurious cloth that they wrapped it in. And then we got a toolbox over here. There's our keycap puller offer, a Nuphy branded one. That's a nice high quality screwdriver. I really like that. And then we got a USB dongle, and I don't know what those are for, and I'm scared. Oh, nice. Oh, it's got the coiled cable. That is one classy cable. This feels like it's already assembled to me. I wonder if the disassembly instructions and all that is kind of optional. Yeah, the little quick start guide just shows that you pull out the old switches and then you put in the new switches and then you put the caps on and then you start using it and plug it in. All right, well, let's get the switches on, but first we'll take off the old switches. I think they give you one of each so that you can kind of sample how they feel, and we'll take those out now. Oh man, it feels like it's like glued in there or something. I don't want to mess anything up. That one came out fine. Okay, this is freaking stuck. I am definitely gonna snap something if I yank on this at full strength. So I'm just gonna leave this switch in there. Yeah, so these are the Mint switches. Yeah, they feel like pretty standard linear switches. Oh, they got some stats on there. Travel distance and mounting pins, materials, spring. I don't know, you keyboard nerds probably know what all that stuff means. You know, I kind of fantasize about being a keyboard guy and really getting into it. You know, it's one of those niche topics that you can really go as deep as you want into. And I don't know how deep I would ever really need to go. I am instantly hungry. And now the fun part is loading up all the switches, right? Like that. Easy enough. Let's see if lightning strikes twice. Oh yeah. Now we're rocking. This is the good stuff right here. Are you gonna watch me put all these in? You can, I don't mind. It's probably pretty satisfying to watch. You know, it'll look like this keyboard is just flying through being made. Would it trigger your OCD if I started putting them in random places? This is confusing. That one has a different connection style. Yeah, there's even like a separate little button down there. Oh man, I don't know what to do. Alright, you know what I think it is? I think they give you 2 holes so you have like, you know, a bit of wiggle room depending on what type of key you have there. What shape it is or whatever. I don't know, I'm gonna just try to put this in and hope for the best. Alright, well it went in. We shall see. Is this one red switch bothering you as much as it's bothering me? This probably looks pretty fun to watch, but I assure you, it is a lot less fun to do. This would be a lot funner if I didn't have this camera and microphone in my face. Double fisting. Oh, this is way more efficient. Now I see why Darwin gave us 2 hands. And I saved the best for last. The space bar. That was anticlimactic. Oh yeah, there's a little badge thing. Where's that? I think this goes there. Yeah, there it is. Alright, well, I suppose I should test it. It wouldn't be the end of the world to test it. I'm gonna set it to Windows and we'll turn it on. Alright, as far as I could tell, all the buttons are working. Alright, well, yeah, I think we're good to go on to the keycaps. Yeah, I think I'm really gonna like these keycaps. They got that sort of brown and beige old computer vibe to them, which is kind of my thing, you know? Only fun products are worth creating. Yeah, that's kind of my philosophy as well. You know, I don't want to make boring products. I don't want to make boring videos for you. I want to have fun. Otherwise, what's the point? So these are MSA profile double shot PPT keycaps. Ooh, those are really nice. Oh, you probably can't tell in the video. Maybe I'll show some B-roll or something, but these keycaps are freaking gorgeous. I really want to get this caps lock on there so I know it goes in the right spot. Oh yeah, no, this is wrong. You see, it doesn't line up. This switch has to be over in the other spot. Oh god, is this not going to come out? Well, I don't think that's supposed to happen. I guess it's a good thing I got extra switches. Okay, let's try not to turn a small mistake into a huge one, and we will try not to damage anything else as we carefully extract this keycap. No, that feels like a bad idea. What do I do? It's like broken and it's stuck in there. Alright, I got part of it out. Actually, I'm gonna use the knife here. Okay. Yeah, so this is how keycaps work. They got these parts inside them, and there's a sprig, and it pushes the thing up. The RBGs go through the see-through part, and that's how a keycap works. It's a lot more complicated than that. I don't want to confuse you or anything, but that's the basics right there. They have the Mac buttons there. I don't like that. Yeah, there's Alt. Wonder if that's Windows. Guess it doesn't matter. I could take it if I want it. Now we're on to the fun part. Oh, why am I so thirsty? I'm so thirsty all of a sudden. I feel like I'm dying of thirst. It would be very easy to get up and go get a drink. But like I've already come this far. Yeah, I'm probably fine. Nope, I wasn't fine. I'm just gonna open this over top of my new keyboard. Nothing wrong with that. Why are you even watching this video? What keys are up here? I think I might have to look at the website. Yeah, look at that. They got F13, monster, screenshot, and the lock. All right, that's good to know. All right, final stretch. All right, and then these, I guess, are in the other box. Which one's which is the question. Insert, home, delete, end. Page up and page down. Don't let me forget. Insert, delete, home. Wait, was that right? I'm just kidding. And there it is. Isn't it beautiful? All right, you're not going to be able to properly hear the way the keys sound through my microphone that's in my face, so I'll do this through B-roll. I know you're on the edge of your seat. You really just want to know how these keys sound, so let's have a little bit of a B-roll montage and show you what they sound like. All right, so we have a RGB light bar, and that changes based on the power, the charging level. Then we have different backlight settings, so function and up and down. Ooh, look at that. Here, let me turn off my light. Yeah, there's some RGB in there. It's changing the color there. Yeah, I'm just not a big fan of RGB when it's just like glowing from around the buttons. And you can change the color over there too. Let's turn it all off. I will leave that one on though. That one feels useful to me. Oh, one thing I want to know is, what does this cat button do? Nothing? I'm on my computer, nothing's happening. It's not opening any cats, or no cats are happening. Nothing. I don't know what that one is. Maybe if I find out, I'll put it on the screen. I just realized that I forgot to show you the wrist rest. Yeah, it's supposed to match this keyboard, I think. Oh, it's sort of see-through. I didn't even know that. Wow. Oh, that looks super interesting. Let's put that there. Oh, look at that. Oh, it completes the look. That just makes me really, really happy just now. I don't know how to describe a very matte finish. It feels like glass or something. Aluminum acrylic. It's acrylic and rubber. Oh, it's very, very interesting feeling. Oh, it feels great. Man, this whole keyboard, the hand feel of this whole setup is just absolutely, absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is very, very comfy and very nice, and it looks amazing. All right, and yeah, it is a absolutely beautiful keyboard. It's the nicest keyboard I own by far. It's heavy. I love the, you know I love the retro vibes on my tech. Yeah, I feel spoiled by this keyboard. It's so freaking nice. It's fun to build too. It gives you a little bit of a sense of accomplishment, I suppose. But it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And if you're looking to spend $200 on a keyboard, I think you'll be pretty darn happy with this one. This video isn't a full review. It's just a like, let's check it out, let's build it and have some fun. And I hope you had some fun. If you like this video, then maybe check out my recent DOS video. For some reason, this feels like it would fit nicely with that DOS emulation build. That's it from me. I'm TechDweeb. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.